Hello everyone. In this video we are discuss about the drug discovery. Drug discovery is a complex and lengthy process aimed at identifying a new medication or therapies to treat diseases and improve human health. It involves a series of interconnected steps spanning from the initial target identification to the preclinical and clinical testing and finally regulatory approval. The process typically takes several years and can cost hundreds of millions of dollars. Next part is the history of drug discovery. The history of drug discovery is a fascinating journey that spans thousands of years from initiating civilization to the modern scientific advancement. Here is the history about the drug discovery. So first one is the ancient medicinal practice. Drug discovery can be traced back to ancient civilization such as the Egyptian, then Chinese who use natural substance like plant, mineral and animal product for medicinal purposes. Then next is the herbal remedies and traditional medicine. Thoughts history, herbal remedies play a significant role in treating various ailments. Ancient Greek physicians such as Hippocrates who wrote extensively about the medicinal properties of the plant. Next is the isolation of the active compound. In the 19th century, advancement in the chemistry allowed scientists to isolate the active compound from the natural sources. Next is the synthetic chemistry and aspirin. The in late 19th and early 20th century saw significant progress in a synthetic chemistry leading to the development of the aspirin in 1897 by the Felix Hoffmann at Vienna. Next one is the insulin and antibiotic. The early 20th century witnessed groundbreaking the discoveries such as the isolation of the insulin by the Frederick Banting and the Charles Best in the 1921. Next one is the sulfonamide and rational drug design. In 1930s, the development of the sulfonamide and the first synthetic antibiotic demonstrated the potential rational drug design based on the knowledge of microbial metabolism. Next part is the stages of the drug discovery. Drug discovery is a multi-stage process that involves the several interconnected steps, each aim at identifying and developing potential drug candidate. The stages of the drug discovery can be broadly categorized into the following. First one is the target identification. The first stage involves the identifying a specific molecular target such as a protein, enzyme or receptor that is involved in the disease process. This target should play a crucial role in a disease and have the potential to be modulated by a drug. Second one is the target validation. Once a potential target is identified, it undergoes the validation to confirm its role in diseases and determine whether it is suitable target for the intervention. Various methods including genetic studies, cell structure, experiments and animal models are used to validate the target. Next one is the hit generation. In this stage, researchers search for the hits, which are initial molecules or compounds that show potential activity against the chosen target. Hits can be obtained from the various sources including natural product, chemical libraries or through the computational method. Next is the lead optimization. After identifying hits, medicinal chemists optimize this molecule to improve their potency, selectivity and other drug-like property. The goal is to transform the hit into the leading compound which has the potential to become a drug candidate. Next is the lead optimization. In this stage, extensive chemical modifications are made to lead compound to further improve their pharmacological property, efficacy, safety and pharmacokinetic. This process involves the iterative cycle of synthesis and testing. Next is the preclinical testing. Once a lead compound with the favorable property is identified, it undergoes the preclinical testing in vitro, that is cell-based assays, and in vivo animal models to assess the safety and efficacy. Preclinical study provide the important data on the drug's potential effect, dosage and potential side effect. Next is the investigational new drug application. Before testing the drug in humans, the drug developer submit an investigational new drug application to the regulatory authority. That is the Food and Drug Administration in the United States. The application outline that result of preclinical study and the proposed plan for clinical trial. Next part is the clinical trial. Phase 1st, phase 2nd and 3rd. The clinical trial are conducted in 3 phases. Phase 1st, that is small scale studies involving a small number of healthy volunteers to evaluate drug safety, dosage and side effect. Next is phase 2nd, larger trials with the patient affected by the target disease to the further assess safety, efficacy and optimal dosage. Phase third, large-scale, randomized and controlled trial with a more extensive patient population to the confirm efficacy, monitoring side effect and compare the new drug's effectiveness to the extensive treatment. Next is a new drug application, that is NDA. If the drug successfully passes all the phases, then the clinical trials are demonstrated safety and efficacy. The drug developer submit new drug application to the regulatory authority and providing comprehensive data on the drug's benefit and risk. Next is the regulatory approval. After reviewing the NDA, regulatory agency decide whether the approve or the drug for the commercial use. If approved, the drug can be marketed and prescribed to the patient. Next is the post-marketing surveillance, that is phase 4. Once the drug is available to the public, the post-marketing surveillance continue to monitor its safety and effectiveness in the real-world settings. Adverse reaction, long-term effects are closely monitored during these phases. That's all about the drug discovery. Thank you.